I lift up my eyes to the mountains, from which shall come my help. My help shall come from the Lord, who made heaven and earth. All echoes from the Lord, who made heaven and earth. He will keep your foot from stumbling. Your God will never slumber. No, he sleep, not no slumber. He is dressed God. All echoes from the Lord, who made heaven and earth. The Lord your God, the Lord your shade out your right hand. By the day sun shall not smite you, nor the moon in the night. All echoes from the Lord, who made heaven and earth. The Lord will guide you from evil. He will guide your soul. He will guide your going and coming both night forever.